Hey awesome people, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making some donuts. Are you tired of kneading donuts? You don't have the strength to knead your donuts. Today I'm going to walk you through the steps you need to take if you don't want to knead your donut. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, please. If you've not subscribed already, feel free to share this video with your family and friends. Without further ado, let's jump straight to the video. I'm going to go in with 3 cups of bread flour, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, half teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of instant yeast, 2 tablespoons of butter, 150 ml of warm milk, 1 egg. This one is totally optional. I'll be adding some flavors. This is mixed flavor. You can use vanilla. You can decide not to use a flavor at all. I will go ahead and mix everything with a hand mixer. Continue to mix until it forms a dough. You can mix this for 5 minutes, but if you're doing this by hand, you need to knead for like 20-25 minutes. So once you're okay with the consistency of the dough, you take it out the bowl. Your dough should be elastic, it should be stretchy. I'm going to grease a bowl and then I'll put back my dough into the bowl. I'll cover this with a clean kitchen napkin and leave it to proof for 1 hour. 1 hour later, as you can see, this has doubled in size. So I'm going to punch it several times just to get out the air that has been trapped in the dough. So I'll take it out from the bowl, I'll put it on a work surface. I'll use a dough cutter to cut this into several pieces. If you have a kitchen scale, make sure you measure each of the chunks you're going to cut out, because you need them to be equal. So I'm cutting this into smaller bits. That's how I'll fold my dough. So I'm going to take this all chunk by chunk and I'll fold and place on a paper. Let me just show you guys what I did. Okay, you have your piece right here. You're going to fold it as if you want to form a ball, just this way. So once you're done folding this way, you place it on a paper, but remember to sprinkle some flour on the paper before you place it so that it will get off easily. This was one thing I forgot to do before I placed my dough, so it was very difficult for me to get the paper off. So once we have this, I'm going to cover it with a kitchen napkin and leave it to proof for 20 minutes. 20 minutes later, so I'm going to take our kitchen napkin off, and this is what we have. The dough has doubled in size. At this point, I'm going to go over to the frying stage. So I already have my oil on fire, so I'm going to throw in a piece of the dough into the oil. Once it begins to form some bubbles around it, know that your oil is ready to accept your dough. So I'm going to throw this into the fire with the paper. Remember I said you should sprinkle some flour on the paper in order to get it off the paper easily. So I'm going to leave this to fry a little bit with the paper before I take it out. So fry, and once one side has fried, you turn it over to the other side. So consistently check the other side to make sure it's not burning, and once you're done, take it off the fire. Alright guys, so we have our donut ready. So I'm going to use some sugar to glaze this. You can use chocolate, you can use powdered sugar, but I'm going to be using some granulated sugar. Feel free to use any one you like. Okay, and also let me know in the comment section below if you'd like me to show you guys how to make a donut and glaze with chocolate. I'll be very happy to do that for you guys. Alright guys, so let's open our donut to see what it looks like on the inside. Oh my god, this is so soft, this is so yummy. I enjoyed it and my family enjoyed it as well. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. Did you enjoy it? Feel free to share my recipe with your family and friends, and feel free to let me know the videos you'd like to see here on this channel. Alright, on the next time, keep trying out new recipes. I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye.